What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. So a couple of weeks ago I reviewed this pair right here. This is the chocolate milk colorway of the Social Status Dunk collab. In that video I gave you my reasons for why I felt that this was one of the absolute best collabs of the year so far. And now I was lucky enough to get my hands on the strawberry milk colorway as well, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, the Social Status Dunks strawberry milk. So what's good, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. For all my long-term viewers, welcome back. And for those of you who are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoy sneaker content. I drop at least 3 videos a week. In this video, I'll be breaking down the strawberry milk colorway of the Social Status Dunks. I'll talk about the quality of the sneaker, how it's different than the chocolate milk pairs. I'll get into, of course, all of the little details about this collab that make it so special. We'll also talk about the prices that these are going for right now. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here we go, man. Second colorway, strawberry milk. And before I even begin reviewing the sneaker, let me know down in the comments which is the colorway that you guys prefer, the chocolate milk or the strawberry milk. I'll give you my personal opinion later in the video, but I want to hear from you guys first. Let me know down in the comments. So these sneakers, the inspiration behind these sneakers come from the free lunch program, which actually still exists right now in the city of Pittsburgh. It is a government-funded program which ensures that every child is able to receive a school lunch. James Whitner himself was a participant in this program when he was a child, and that's where this inspiration came from. Every one of those meals always featured a carton of milk. Now let's get into the shoes, starting off with the box. And guys, this is what a collab box is supposed to look like. Just look at all of the details in the box alone. On the side of the box, you have this really cool ingredients list, which pretty much breaks down all of the different components of the shoe. Opening up the box, the paper that comes with this box is really cool as well. It features a lunch plan for the entire month. You got the chicken fingers dunk, the spaghetti dunk. Hey, who knows? Maybe these are names of some future colorways. And the sneakers also do come with this extra pouch. The strawberry pairs come with this pink pouch, and I'm not sure exactly what the purpose of this pouch is. I assume it is to store your extra laces. But let's get into the shoes themselves. The first thing you guys will obviously notice is, hey, this is not a dunk low. It's not a dunk high either. What exactly is it? Most people are calling this a dunk mid. James Whitner doesn't want to call it that. He'd rather refer to this as a higher low or a lower high, but it doesn't matter what you call it. What was important for James was that this particular shape was not on any other dunk ever before. He wanted people to see this shape on the dunk and instantly think of Social Status, because he wanted something that really stood out from everything else. Let me know your opinion down in the comments. What do you guys think of this mid cut? A lot of people, I feel like the majority of people, aren't really feeling it. I personally don't think it looks that bad. Of course, I do agree that the lows and the highs do look better than this. I believe the toddler pairs of this collab actually did come in a low top version, which, to be honest, I wish they released in the regular version as well. But it's not exactly a deal breaker for me. I still think it looks okay. Getting into the colorway, of course, strawberry milk. So you have different shades of pink all over the shoe, some dark pink at the back. On the ankle collar, you have this interesting colorway as well, almost like a teal blue. And on the outsole, you get that dark green outsole, a very interesting colorway. If there was one shoe that this colorway actually reminds me of, it's probably those Union Guava Jordan 4s that came out last year. The best part about this shoe though has to be the materials on this. You get some primo quality here. On the mudguard on the toe box, you get a really nice suede, and the toe box itself is made out of this very nice soft tumble leather. The dark pink you see at the back of the shoe, that's also done in leather. And finally, at the very back, you see this velour material. And the materials used on the strawberry pair are actually quite different than the materials on the chocolate pair. The chocolate pair on the toe box, as well as the mid panels and the back of the sneaker, it's all done in velour, which, as I said in my review of these, it's not exactly my favorite material because it is quite difficult to clean. Meanwhile, the strawberry pair, they removed the velour and instead we have this very nice soft leather. I would say overall, I definitely prefer the materials on the strawberry pair. The swoosh is actually transparent, and underneath you see an image of milk. I love the way the swoosh looks on this. That transparent swoosh, in my opinion, looks a lot better than this pink swoosh. We also get a little mini swoosh near the front of the shoe. I also quite like the laces on these. You can see you get these dark pink rope style laces. And alongside that, you also get this extra pair of orange laces. For some reason on camera, it doesn't look very orange, but in hand, trust me, it is a very bright orange. When I first saw pictures of both of these colorways, I was initially attracted to this chocolate brown pair because I felt like, you know, it's just a lot more wearable. But yeah, you can probably already guess what I'm about to say. After having these in hand, guys, my mind has definitely switched. I definitely prefer the strawberry pair better. I like that they use different and more durable materials on the upper. And this colorway just bangs, and I really don't own any pairs of sneakers that have a colorway like this. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan, of course, of that mid cut, but if I'm just talking about which colorway I prefer, I gotta say I do like the strawberry pair. For sizing on these, just go true to size. Whatever you fit in pretty much any other Dunk or Air Max sneakers, you will fit the same in these, even though they are a mid. I wanted to quickly check in on prices. So this sneaker actually only had a North America release, but even considering how limited this pair is, in my opinion, these prices right now are pretty low. For such a well executed collab with really good materials, a very different looking shoe, and considering how limited it is, I was expecting much higher resale prices. I don't know how long these prices are gonna last, so I do suggest that if you are thinking of copying, go ahead and cop right now. Because of how unique this pair is, and it is a real collector's item, I do feel by next year the prices on these are gonna be much higher than they are right now. So overall, what are my thoughts on the Nike Dunk Low in the strawberry milk colorway, the collab with Social Status? As I've said in the other video, in my opinion, one of the absolute best collabs we've seen this year, and when it comes to storytelling. The word collab in sneaker culture these days has almost lost its meaning because we're just seeing so many collabs for no other reason than pretty much just generating hype. I'm looking at you, Travis and Fragment, but to see a collab come through that is so well thought out, has a very nice story behind it, and a really good message as well. Yeah, this is really one of the best collabs this year, one of the best dunks this year as well. And at these prices right now, these are an absolute steal. So yeah, for sure, these are definitely a cop. Once again, let me know your favorite colorway down in the comments, and also give me your opinion on this mid cut. Are you feeling it? Is this an absolute deal breaker for you? The on-feed about to start right now, but before we get into that, make sure you are subscribed to me on YouTube, and of course, follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6. I drop a lot of content on there as well. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace.